long as nobody comes, this will be safe. Okay. You ready? You have to... Yeah, what was that? Oh, it's nothing. Okay, I'll knock him out and you get the ghost stuff. Be quiet, dogs! Look at dogs. Okay. I thought I heard something. Is this too heavy? Hey, I thought I saw something. You look just like me. I know we're both gorgeous. Hey, what's Domino's pig? I don't know, but we both are so gorgeous. Anyways, yeah, I can't miss that, so. I know how to lift everything. I'll bring this back to the pig lab. Okay, we're gonna open this. Gonna see what's not. First, we gotta see what the name tag on the back says. King Pig would get mad at us if we did an experiment without him knowing. Hey dude, just do the experiment, see again. Hey, where's that other guy? Oh, he was never born in the pig world. Oh, so we have to listen to you only. Yeah, no, just don't listen to me. I think we should do the experiments on the frog first. Or just cut to the birds. Yeah, we're just gonna see what the birds are up to. What is it? See it. Where is it? Where's it? Nothing. I wonder if Fred, Chuck, or Joe, or any of the other birds are gonna get mad at me. Hey, what the? I never remember there being a nuke right here. Whatever. So, maybe the pig stole it? Wait. Where are the eggs? Hey, you're still over there. Yeah. Okay. Where are the eggs? Where are them eggs? Oh god, no, I'm serious. Where are they?
Some green pig-looking things kind of came in, and they said to me, quote, "Hey, do you know where these eggs are?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure, they're in the fridge, and they're in like a warm thing." And then he said, "Okay, thanks." And then,
So they have eggs already, basically.
Yeah, and they also said, quote, "Do you know where a gold one is?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's with the white ones." Okay.
Wait a second. So these guys are really just fraud eggs. These are all fake.
Yeah, they're cotton balls.
I should murder them.
Okay. Well.
Oh yeah, and
you should at least thank me that I give the eggs.
Oh yeah. Thank you for giving them our eggs.
You're welcome.
No, that's bad. Why? Because they're gonna eat them with their babies in them.
So that means
they're gonna eat babies.
You had the birds and the other birds.
Mm-hmm.
You had the things that is the birds and the other birds.
Yeah, yes, just don't talk about those kids. The kids, you don't want to know. Why don't you go murder those little piggies? Little piggy, do you know where the little piggies are? I didn't know what you said. Well, all I know is that I can just ride my Black Panther or my Snow Leopard there. Because I have those. You saw them right over there, didn't you? Wow. Yeah. Or just use a slingshot. Okay. Gotta use the slingshot. Okay. Did all the research. Apparently this has a baby bird in it. Right? A baby bird? Hey, what are you still doing here? Baby birds shouldn't be in something that. Oh, there's a baby bird in that. Yeah, but then there's also some of the delicious eggs. Yeah, this is gonna be a baby bird. Let's see what's. Well, at least I got this back, and okay, no one opened it until okay, kids, August 20th is when this is gonna come out. Just kidding. They don't open it till tomorrow because that's when it's supposed to come out.